Start to see some change. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Underneath everything we are, underneath everything we do, we are all people.
Connected, interdependent, united.
When you reach out your hand to one, you influence the condition of all.
And that's what it means
to live united.
I'm a husband, I'm a father,
And an advocate for those who are unable to access health care.
And I'm a volunteer in the community.
I realize that I have a lot of blessings, and I just wanted to make sure that I share those blessings with others.
I care about this community.
I believe it's absolutely imperative that I give back to the community that I live in and that I depend on for my support. And that's why I live united.
The United Way impacts this community in the areas of health, financial stability, and education. The United Way impacts the health of this community. The YWCA is a partner agency of the United Way, and I have volunteered with the Y for the past 7+ years. The YWCA does a great job in getting out into the community, educating women about the need for breast health awareness and breast health screenings. Last year we had a patient diagnosed with breast cancer who had a great ending. She was cured, or she's in remission now. Consequently, the same patient has paid it forward, and she's volunteering extensively throughout the community with other women. The center is another United Way agency. My passion with the center is that there are a number of people in this community who are unable to obtain mental health services. It's important to have the Center for Psychiatric Referrals and to manage medication. People who otherwise could not pay for their services, the center sees. And to my knowledge, they did not turn away anybody last year because of the dollars United Way was able to funnel into their system.
Financial stability is one of the building blocks of a good life. I do think financial stability is important for a community. My children have been involved with the Millionaires Club, which is a pretty neat program that allows the children to kind of understand about money and the financial aspects that maybe they may not have picked up at a younger age, but gives them exposure to things such as loans and credit cards and budgets. The Millionaires Club is a program of the United Way's Financial Stability Initiative. We were recently out and used a credit card to pay for something, and my daughter immediately said, "You know, Dad, you're only supposed to use those when you really need them, because if you use your credit cards too much, you can get in trouble financially." So I think being in the club really brought it home to her how important it is to watch your credit and watch how you spend your money and make sure that you do pay your loans back in a timely manner.
United Way impacts education in this community. United Way's Profit and Education program started many years ago and helped bring down the dropout rate or increase the graduation rate. Well, kind of an extension of the Profit and Education program is a program that they're working with now, where students, for example, at Lafayette High School can go to employers and visit their business, see what it's like, tour the business, and also those business employers are coming here and talking to the students. So they're really creating that relationship now, where they know who the employers know who the kids are. They're getting to see what the real world's like. The United Way Success by Six program, investing in that program alone in those early years has proven long-term. The few dollars you invest at that age returns many times over down the road. It returns in kids being able to go through school, not getting incarcerated down the road, things like that that really cost our society a lot of money. It's a great investment. Having kids ready for school age, kindergarten, is so important so they don't start behind. Every family wants their child to start out properly. And, you know, it's not the kid's fault. It's not the parents' fault sometimes. It's just what it is. And we can bridge that gap. We can bring that together. And it's a great positive. That kid gets started. The parents feel good about it. Mom and Dad feels good about it.
Take my hand and start a brand new day.
You're helping your neighbor, you're helping your friends, you're helping your coworkers. It's a great opportunity.
A little bit from a lot of people can go a long way.
I personally am very appreciative of the work that the United Way has done for this community. They expect that their partner agencies are going to be good stewards of the funds, and they hold those partners accountable. And the partners are able to really do the work in providing for the most basic needs of the people of this community who typically go without.
Give to United Way and impact lives.